Hey, this is Ryan. This is a Philips Norelco Shaver 5000X. And we're going to open up this thing that we just got. Just got it today, and I want to open it and share that experience with you. So let's see what's going on here. It's got nice little description, flex head, everything here. 27 blades. USB. This is one thing, when I saw it, I needed, because sometimes I forget to charge, and I didn't want something that was going to be on a charging port. I wanted something that was corded, so if I wanted to plug it and shave and have it plugged in at the same time, I could do that. Shower proof. I personally have never shaven in the shower, but one touch open. That's cool. Let's see what it looks like here. So this is what you got. Registration information. And I was also looking for something that has a travel case, because I do some traveling, and wanted to make sure I could travel with it. I have actually never used a Razer like this before. Oh, would you look at that? It says don't. Says don't have it plugged in while you're shaving. Maybe because I guess I'm thinking somebody's going to use this while they're in the shower. I don't know. I did not notice that when I picked this thing up. But doesn't come charged. Let's see what else we got here. So this is actually a pretty sturdy case. I mean, so that will be nice for when we do the old traveling. Instructions, which I do read for sure. Let's see what else we got in here. There is the charging cord, and this, I guess, is a protective cap, so when you are storing it, I would assume. Yep. All right. It does that. This might be. Yep. This is for the attachment. Let's settle this stuff down here. Make sure we got everything out. All right, that is everything. And what do we got here? Let's see. I think this snaps onto this, so you'll have basically you can go and have like a straight razor, and it says it's one. Let's see here. Oh, this is probably when you clean it. Yep. Push that. Shake out all your goods. It's actually nice and convenient. And then this looks like that snaps in there. Let's see what happens here. All right, so it does not come with a charging block, so I just grabbed one of these that I have. So if you are picking this thing up, be very mindful that I'm just going to plug this thing in. It does not come with that. And looks like it goes like this. Looks like it's charging. The instructions I just looked at mention that you should let it charge for a solid hour before using it, which is why when I turned it on, it did nothing. It does say, which I didn't pick up, so if you're looking for something, and I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll like it, but it does say this product can only be used without a cord, which means, I'm reading that, it says unplug before use, the battery charging here light flashes white. So, maybe, I don't know. Once I get to use this thing, it says it can hold the charge for 50 minutes. Well, if anybody's shaving their face for 50 minutes, they got a pretty good beard going on, and that's not me, so that probably won't be a problem. And let's see what else we got. All right, so to change out this with the trimmer, it's pretty easy. Just pops off like that. And then I would assume you go this way. And then you can do your, edging for whatever you're needing for. Pops right off again. And it does, trying to see if it lines up. Yeah, this is on the bottom or towards this side. Snaps right in. Feels pretty smooth to the touch. And yeah, we're going to test it out and see how it works. So here's the Razer now that it's been charged. You can hear it there, it's got a light on. And I will say it's going to be hard to get across from a video standpoint. It's not loud, which was kind of surprising to me because my previous electric Razer was a little bit louder. And so I was like, oh, it's not really loud. So I was thinking, well, maybe it's not going to be as good. And I'm not the type of guy that has a full-blown 5 o'clock shadow like halfway through the day. That's just not me, luckily. But it does the trick. And this is the first type of Razer that I've had that has, it's this style that has the 3 circular, I don't know, this style. Usually the ones I have forever, my whole entire life, have been just like the bar that has the screen that kind of has the vibrating thing that goes back and forth. So this is the first one I've had like this. So I was, again, trying to do something new, maybe thinking it would be faster to shave, which actually it was. So the other one I'd have to stretch my skin a little bit because it was just a bar, even though it adjusted a little bit. But this one, because it flexes and then each one of these flexes like that, it kind of contours your skin a little bit better. So if you've never used this style before, was a pleasant surprise, we'll say. And then the edging attachment that looks like this. You can hear that. It's solid on there, so it doesn't rotate. And so it's so if you want to get sideburns, I happen to have sideburns. It does the trick, so it does what it's supposed to do. So hopefully that kind of gives you an idea of what this Philips Norelco 5000X series shaver does, and I'm anxious to see how long it says it will hold a charge. It does say in the instructions that it will do a charge and you can run it for 50 minutes, but I can't imagine anybody on this earth taking 50 minutes to use an electric Razer unless you just haven't shaven in like a year and you're working down a massive beard and all that fun stuff. But I don't plan on draining it because I'll probably charge it, between each use a little bit. So hopefully that helps.